How to turn on order notifications in Square mobile app. Start by opening the app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Tap the three horizontal lines or more icon at the bottom of the screen to access the main menu. From there, go to Settings, then tap Notifications. In this section, you'll find various notification types. Look specifically for order notifications or sales notifications. Make sure the toggle switch is turned on so you receive alerts when your orders come in. You can also customize how you're notified, whether it's push notifications, email alerts, or both. Keep in mind that to receive push notifications, you must have them enabled in your device settings too. So head to your phone's notification settings and double check that the Square app is allowed to send alerts. Once everything is set, you'll start getting real-time updates whenever a sale or order is placed. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.